Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be bringing to you guys how to make lighty black soap for acne and dark spots. Of course, our first ingredient is the black soap. As you can see, I have two black soap here. One is the Ghana raw black soap and this dark one is called Dudu Oso. And you can use whatever black soap you want, Ghana black soap, Nigeria black soap, or Dudu Oso. They all have the same benefit. So the next ingredient guide is going to be my leaveder essential oil. Yes, leaveder essential oil. Next is your egg yolk, because the egg yolk has more skin benefit. It helps to clean the skin and dark spots. Next guys is the turmeric powder. It's good because it helps to fade dark spots. It helps to lighten the skin. It also helps to bring back the natural color of your skin. And guys, next is the soft and white papaya lighting syrup. You can use any syrup of your choice, any kind of syrup that works for you. So for me, I'm going to be using the soft and white syrup. And next guys is our honey. If there is no honey, there is no way you are going to make a black soap without honey. Honey has a lot of benefit. It helps to tighten your pores, it helps smoothing, and it helps clear dark spots and blushment. Next guys is our lemon. You can use any lemon of your choice. You can use the raw lemon, but I decided to use this. And guys, the next one is our sweet almond oil. Yes guys, sweet almond oil helps in smoothing your skin. It also helps to clean dark spots as well. As very well. So guys, the next one is our orange peel. Orange peel powder. Orange peel powder helps to kill the dead cells and bring out dirt from inside the skin. It also helps to lighten the dark spot and sunburn. So guys, I'm just going to be cutting it into pieces with a knife onto the spot. If you have mortar, it's very good. I advise you use mortar, but I don't have mortar, so I'm just going to be using a pot and a bottle to smash it. So guys, I'll be using two of it, and I'm going to be using my knife to cut it into pieces, so in that way it's going to be easier for me to smash. So guys, this is it, and I'm just trying to cut it into pieces for it to be easier for me. This is the Ghana raw black soap. It is very hard. When you buy Ghana raw black soap, it is very hard. Unlike the Nigeria's black soap, it's smoother and softened. But this one is hard, like it's mold. So that's why you're seeing me cutting it with knife, so it will be very easy for me. Now guys, I decided to use two of the raw soap, and I just kept the other one outside. Now I've just cut it into places, and I'm going to be putting the ingredients one after the other. First, I'm going to be putting the turmeric powder, and I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of the turmeric powder. Just one is enough, and it's depending on the quantity of the raw black soap you are using. It's depending, your ingredient measurement is going to be depending on the amount of soap you are using. Next guys, I'm going to be using my orange peel powder, and I'm going to be using 1.5 or a teaspoon, just a teaspoon of it. The next ingredient guys is my lemon juice. Guys, I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of my lemon juice into it. Guys, you can use the raw lemon juice if you have. I don't have that for now, that's why I'm using this particular juice, lemon juice. So I'm just going to be adding 2 of it into the soap. The next ingredient, guys, is my almond sweet oil. This almond sweet oil, I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of it to the soap. And next, guys, is my honey. Yes, guys, honey is very good. So guys, I'm just going to be adding, I think, 2 tablespoons of it to the measurement. So next, guys, I'm going to be using my papaya lightening syrup, and I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of it to my ingredients.
Sometimes I wonder why you keep talking like you don't give a fuck about me. You've got a piece of me, and honestly my life wouldn't be.
Now guys, I'm just going to be adding the egg yolk. Yes, and I'll be using the egg whites for a face mask. Now I'm just going to be cracking it so I can bring out the egg white from it first. I'm just trying to bring out all the egg white from it and make sure the yolk is still intact. So I'm just carefully dropping it out from the egg. Next, guys, I'm going to be using my leaveder essential oil. Yes, guys, and I'm going to be adding 10 drops of it into the mixture. Like I said before, guys, if you have mortar, it's very good, but I don't have mortar, so I'm going to be using my pot and a bottle to just smash it very well, as much as I can. So I'm just trying to smash it little by little until I get the consistencies that I want. Sometimes I make it lighter and sometimes I make it thick. It depends on you. It's your choice. It's what you want, what you know it's best for you. So guys, I'm going to be going off camera, so I will be able to do it very well. I'm going to be smashing it very well. I'm going to be mixing it very well, guys. I hope you understand. So guys, let me just go and smash it with all my powers. Like, literally, I'm going to be using all my powers to do this, because it's not easy. It's very hard to do this. It's very hard when smashing black soap together. Like, you're missing it. It's kind of hard, guys. And now I don't even have mortar, to miss it, so I just have to go cut it a little bit and maybe come back and show you guys how it is. I hope you guys understand me. So guys, this is how my power could take me to, like, this is how I could smash. This was where my strength could, because it was really hard. And guys, this is the jar I am going to be using to put on my black soap. Yes guys, before I forget, behind the camera when I went off, I actually added 3 ingredients again, and 2 tablespoons of each, which are honey. I added 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons of sweet almond oil. Yes, I added it so it will be more easier for me to smash the Ghana black soap, because it was kind of hard for me. And this is not a mortar. I don't have him. I'm not using a mortar. So, and I'm using a bottle, so I just decided to add a little bit of it, 2 tablespoons of it, so it will be more softer for me to blend, or I don't know how to say it. So guys, please, if you watch this video to this point and you have still not subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe. Yes guys, subscribe and hit the bell icon, so whenever I upload any video, you get notified and you will be ensured I will not let you down. Please guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe, share to your friends, your family, so they can also watch.
Yeah.
So guys, yeah, this is our black soap, and this is how it look at how shiny and stunning it is, guys. So please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe guys. Like, please subscribe and share out this video, and guys, give it a thumbs up if you have not. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. See you guys all in my next video, and please, you can leave a comment on what you want me to do next, and I will be very glad to do it. See you all on my next video. Bye.